Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm very excited today because I'm going to share with you this amazing DIY night lotion or night cream you can say, or even serum you can say. So like, why DIY night cream? There are so many creams out there available which you can simply go and grab and apply. That's it. Why do you need to go through all of this pain of making a DIY? But first thing that I prefer DIYs, as you must be seeing on my channel that I make mostly DIYs because you're the boss, you know what your ingredients are going to put in that DIY, and the things are going to be preservative free, chemical free, and that when you use it in a longer run is not going to give you any side effects. In fact, it's going to benefit you. And second, cost effective. Obviously, there are so many people out there who really don't invest in a night cream. This is just a 3-ingredient night cream, and let's see how to make it. So the first thing that you need is glycerin, which is commonly used in beauty products. It leaves your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. It has the capability of drawing the water towards your skin. And then we are going to add in this is rose water. Rose water is a mild antiseptic for skin irritation. It really does help in balancing the pH level of the skin, which is very important. Lemon is like one of the mandatory things that we are using in it. It's also full of vitamin C, and it will help in lightening up the scars, lightening up the skin, evening out the skin. So this was the easiest DIY night lotion that you can start applying for ageless, beautiful, glowing skin. And I'll see you in my next video.